Did it go?
What?
Boba. Boba machine gun. Yes.
This is awesome.
The genius over here thought of this. This is what you do with your leftover boba. If you were ever wondering. Yeah. How far'd that go? Don't inhale too deeply.
Alright.
Or it will go into your throat, as we just discovered.
Okay,
The hard way.
This so you can actually see where it lands.
Alright, here we go.
Oop,
There, there it is. Way over there.
It's like leaving this.
Is it leaving a snail trail?
Skin.
Neighbors are like, what the heck? Oh, this one's gonna have some vanilla in it in between there.
I got two of them.
Oh. Business
Yeah,
now.
did you see them bounce apart?
I did.
That was awesome.
They bounced in the grass. I don't know if you can see that.
That one didn't quite make it.
Oh. It's a dud.
Dude, I want to see one of these just like completely explode. Just boom! Tapioca all over the place.
It is like tapioca, isn't it?
It is, that's what it is.
Black tapioca.
No, that's what tapioca looks like. I know, it's kind of
That's what editing's for.
You're gonna edit me out of this? That's so sad!
I can't edit you out of it. You are the star.
I am the star
You are
of the tapioca launch thing.
Yes, very eloquently put. Thank you.
You should seriously put this on YouTube. I did not expect that to shoot towards me.
Well, that's what happens when you go instead of... I thought that was indie. It's a bag of rocks. Never mind.
There's a triple. With some vanilla in the middle.
Oh boy.
I can do it.
That was messy. That was really messy.
Okay, cut.